Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Madic from your Coinbase wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently, especially with tokens like Madic on the Polygon network. This step-by-step guide is designed to make the process straightforward, even if you're new to this. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, ensure you have both the Coinbase Wallet and Trust Wallet apps installed on your phone or device. You'll also need some Madic in your Coinbase wallet and the exact address from your Trust Wallet. Double-checking these details is crucial to avoid any costly mistakes, like sending to the wrong place. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and log in securely. Once you're in, head to your dashboard where you can see all your assets. Step 2. Locate your Madic balance in the list of assets. Tap on it to select and then look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually prominent and easy to find. Step 3. In the Send interface, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Switch over to your Trust Wallet app, go to your Madic wallet, and copy the address. Paste it carefully into Coinbase Wallet. Step 4. Enter the amount of Madic you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees displayed, as they can vary based on congestion. Step 5. Review everything on the confirmation screen. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. If it all looks good, hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. Step 6. Sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on the Polygon network. You can track it using the transaction ID in your Coinbase wallet. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and never share your private keys. This keeps your crypto safe in 2025's evolving landscape. There you have it. That's how you send Madic from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.